Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. So let's just get right into the video. No time waste. So today I'm going to be doing another pixie cut and I'm using a cutter 30. I have never used this cutter before and I'm glad that I did because I was pretty nervous, but the hair came out very nice. So as you can see, what I just did was I used my pump up spray because this helps to hold the hair really nice, and then you just have to take your time and like blow dry it and make sure that the tracks stay. So right now I'm just going in to put the tracks on the dump cap. I'm taking my time to put it in. At the same time, I'm making sure that it's dry very well because I'm using a dump cap and I have never used it before. So it's kind of like I'm experimenting. That's what you can say, because I always like trying things like this on myself before I put it out there, to start selling my custom made wig. And if some of you guys don't know, I do sell custom made wig. I have an Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram name on the screen for you guys to go and follow me. I do make custom made wig for people, for a lot of clients. I take my time and I make the wig. So yes, that's why sometimes you guys don't see me here, but I'm trying to be more consistent because sometimes it just gets so busy and I'm not finding an excuse. It just, I really love being on YouTube and I want to thank everybody for supporting me. I'm seeing a lot of new subscriber, and my other pixie cut that I did, I think about 4 months ago, I'm getting a lot of love on that video and I really appreciate you guys. So right now I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm going in, putting in the tracks. Right now I am using the 4 inch. So the box comes with 2, 4, and a 6. So I am only using the 4 inch and the 6 inch, and then I bought another pack of hair for the front. So I'm not using the same here for the front. I just kind of put a little bit of the 6 inch in the front because the other pack that I bought is a little darker than this one. So I kind of make it work because I was like, something gotta, like something gotta work. Like I gotta make this work. So right now I'm taking my time to just blow dry the hair. I was on this. I was like, you are not gonna get off. I'm gonna take my time and you're gonna come out right. I was, yeah. If it comes to any hairstyle that I haven't tried before, I will go in with my all and make sure I'm doing it right. So now I'm going ahead to comb the hair, and I saw this brush beside me and it's for my daughter. So I just end up using it and it matched my fingernails. So because I haven't done anything like this before, I decided to flat iron the hair. Like I haven't done it on a dump cap before. So I decided to flat iron the hair because usually I never flat iron the hair before I start cutting it. But because I'm doing it on a dump cap, I was, I flat iron it so that it can guide me, step by step. So right now I'm taking my time cutting the hair, making sure that I really take my time because I didn't want it to mess up. Usually usually I will wait until I get all the way at the top before I start cutting. Like I will put all the hair in before I start cutting, but like I said before, I haven't used the dump cap, so that's why I'm using it. I am cutting it early, like step by step. So right now I'm using the 6 inch right now, and the same thing I did at the bottom, that's the same thing I'm doing on top. Taking my time, putting it in and blow drying it, make sure everything is right. So after I finished doing that, I went ahead and I combed the hair down, and now I'm just going ahead and taking my time to cut the hair. For this part, I was very nervous again because I was like, if I mess it up, I mess it up. So I really took my time and I cut it, and I really love how it came out. So right now I am putting 8 piece at the front. I think this is about a 10 or no, 8 or 10 inch at the front. I don't remember. As you can see, the this other 30 pack here is a little darker from the 27 pieces here. So I kind of add a little bit of the 27 piece here in between, but I use the 6 inch just to make it work, because when I first saw it, like, I was pretty nervous. I was like, I'm gonna look a hot mess. And I was like, I hope my hair don't go to waste, but I made it work and I'm glad that I did. So right now I'm just circling. I think I'm saying the word. This word is so hard for me. Sometimes I feel like I'm saying it wrong. I'm just circling the hair around. I'm making sure that, it's dry well, just making sure that it's right and all of that. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna go in with the closure, but I'm gonna be using the 27 pieces closure, just so that everything can blend really well. Like I said, you see, this is what I'm doing right now. Just putting the glue in and then blow dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna go inside right there. Bam. Like, I just love saying that. Bam. And now I'm just gonna go ahead now and blow dry it. Make sure that is, dry really well. Everything is looking good. And then I'm gonna go in and start cutting it, and then I will be right back. So after I finish doing that, I'm just gonna go in and put my mousse, just to make sure everything is laying down right, everything is looking pretty good before I start to curl it. And then I'm gonna make it sleep overnight, and then I will be right back the next day to curl it, because right now it's very late and I want to go to bed. So I'm just gonna put the mousse in, and then make it sit overnight, and then come back the next day and curl it. But I'm gonna leave you guys here right now. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks to all my old subscriber, and thanks to all my new subscriber. I really appreciate the love that you guys are showing me on the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. God bless.